Here is a quick test of the video stabilization feature inside of Final Cut Pro. So here's two different shots I have. The camera is very shaky on both of these. So let's go ahead and see how Final Cut Pro does at stabilizing. So when you click on the video clip, you can go all the way to the bottom and then there's a stabilization feature. When you first click it, it should say analyzing the motion. I already have done this before, so the clip already is analyzed, but when you hit playback, you can see it's much smoother. And now what you could do, since I have the shot pretty high up, you can just rezoom. So I can go all the way down here. So now it's better framed. Now if you go back to normal and take off stabilization, you'll see it's very shaky. So you can go through these different settings and find which one you think works the best. So analyzing for dominant motion. Up here it's usually loading. You can also go move these settings around. Now with this one, the camera is extremely shaky, and so after activating it, here's with the inertia cam. It does an incredible job at keeping it more stable. Here's automatic. And then here is the smooth cam. So this one doesn't really do too good, moves around too much, but I think the inertia cam does a pretty good job of keeping it stable. So that's it for this video. Just a quick test showing how good the stabilization features inside of Final Cut Pro. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps the channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.